Two people did the same problem, 2 plus 4 divided by 2 plus 3 squared times 6, but they did them differently and they got two different answers. So which one is right? Just depends on who followed the order of operations. You might have learned it as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Grouping symbols first, then you do your exponents. After that, you do multiplication and division in order from left to right. So if a division comes up first, that's what you do first. And then you do all your adding and subtracting in order from left to right as well. This first person, I can see, since there's a 6 here, they started with the 2 plus 4 because that's the first thing in the line. So they got a 6 here. Then they're doing the 6 divided by 2. That gets them the 3. But they also did the 3 squared, so they'd have a 9. And they need to have that in this line to know what to do. Then they did 3 plus 9 to get the 12. Then 12 times 6 is 72. The second person, they started with the exponent to get the 9. Then they did the 4 divided by 2 to get this 2 right here. Then they went all the way to the back and did 9 times 6 to get the 54. And now you have all adding, so it's 2 plus 2 plus 54, so that's going to be 58. All right, so who followed the order of operations? Let's look at the first line and see who at least started correctly. You're supposed to do the exponents first. This guy added first, so this one did the exponents first. So that's a good clue to me as a teacher that this person did the correct order of operations, but you'd still have to look at all the other lines, but these are all right. 72, while a wonderful answer, is not correct, and 58 is the correct answer. If you like little math puzzles like this, please like the video, comment, share, do all those things for me. I'd appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.